Hello everyone, my name is Par and in today's video I will be showing how you can download and install Xampp server on your PC or laptop. So it is very easy method I will be showing you today. So please hit the like button of this video and let's begin. At first you need to open any type of browser on your PC. So I will be opening here Chrome browser and now you have to just search it here Xampp server and click on the enter button. And now you have to just click on the first website of the Apache organization's official website. And now here you have to select your operating system. Mine is Windows, so I will be clicking here download 64-bit for the Windows operating system. If you are using Linux operating system, then you can also download Xampp server from here. After that, they will redirect you to the next website and they will tell you your download will start automatically, and if it doesn't, please click here. And this website has some problems, so you just need to click on the click here option. Now you have redirected to the next website, and now here an option will came up in green line as download latest version of the Xampp server. You just need to click on that button, and now they will ask you where we can store your files of Xampp servers. So give them the destination folder. After that, you just need to click on the installation file of the Xampp server by clicking on that blue link. And now here installation of the Xampp server is started. You just need to click on the next button. Here you don't need to touch anything, so just click on the next button. After that, they will ask you where to store the Xampp files. You need to give them a destination folder. I will be giving them the D folder for mine Xampp installation and click on the next button. After that, please select your preferred language. I will be selecting here English language and click on the next button. And now setup is ready to begin. So please click on the next button and your installation of Xampp will be begin from here. And now it will take some time according to your PC performance. After some time, your installation of the Xampp server is done. You just need to click on the finish button to start the Xampp server. And now you just need to click on the start button of the Apache and the MySQL to start and run your Xampp server. And we have finally installed and downloaded our Xampp server on our PC. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, then please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any query, please comment in the comment box. Thank you.